So in this video, I'll show you how to reach out to Facebook support. So you have a chat with them about your page and they will help you recover your page, which is what you can see. I had a follow-up on a recent case with them and I was able to reach out to them. So if your page has been hijacked, your Facebook page has been hijacked by a scammer or a hacker that deceived you, just follow the steps which you can see in this video. So as you can see, what you can see here is after clicking on the link 1 or the first link in the description, it will bring you to this point where it shows you all your assets. Okay, assets means your Facebook pages, your Facebook groups, and everything related to your Facebook account. So as you can see, I can select Facebook page by clicking on that on the top right corner and select just Facebook pages. So you should see your page here. But if you don't see your page here, then you can go and search for your Facebook link, or you can use this select a business to find connected assets, or you can go ahead and copy your Facebook ID or page ID, then you paste it here. But if you still can't find your page here, then you need to skip to the next part of this video. Okay, this is just the part 1 of the video. You have to skip to the second part of this video. But if you can see your page here and maybe you have a lower access, like a lower role not than admin, follow this step. So you click on my Facebook page has been hacked or taken over by someone else, which you can see at the top side, because that's what we want to do. We want to recover our hacked Facebook page. So you click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you to the next page, which you would be required to put in some details. So you can see, please provide information that will help us investigate. I would advise you can make sure you write what the exact words I wrote here. You can write it the way you see it here, or you can decide to craft it whatever way you can. But the reason I did it this way, or the reason I would advise you to write it this way, is because you have to write it in a way that if they see it, they would want to assist you. Okay, so let them know that the business is your life, or the Facebook page is your very important, it's really important for your business, and that's why you use Facebook, because of your Facebook page. So with whatever you craft, so give them information about the hack. Okay, you can see, please provide information that will help us investigate. So tell them everything that happened, how it happened, how you were hijacked or how you were deceived, and yeah, just let them know everything, the date it happened. Then make sure you have screenshots. Okay, so I'm sorry I didn't tell you that at the beginning. Make sure you have screenshots of the hijack, or whenever the scammer was sending you any message. Make sure you have those screenshots, which you would upload here. Click on select file, then you do that, after which you can now click on chat with you can select chat with Facebook support. Then at this point to load and then tell you to open a messenger. So you can see, so I'll continue as myself, continue as Emmanuel. So at this point it's going to take me to um Facebook, so that it's going to take me to Messenger so that I can chat with business support. So you can see, hello Emmanuel, we are here to help you. It sounds like you need help with this topic. Did we get it right? My page has been hacked. So you click on yes, it will select yes. Then it will give you some story, blah blah blah. Just click on chat with agent. So this is what we need. We want to chat with agents so that we can chat with a human being, which is what we need. So you click on chat with agents, and at this point it will tell you it will take a while, and then it tell you we are transferring you to an agent who can help. No matter how long it takes, please just hold on for them, because that's the only opportunity you can get. But it shouldn't take long, perhaps 2 to 3 minutes, or even more, maybe 5 minutes, depending on how many people they are trying to assist at that point. Okay, so you just make sure you wait for them. Don't close it, or don't say you'll come back later. So if you see that they're wasting time, you can just write something like, okay, thank you, or just respond to them, or say something like, I'm still waiting if it's taking too long. So you can see it says all our representatives are currently busy. Please continue to wait and your messages will be seen by the next available representative that joins the chat. So you can see someone has responded to me. Jackie has joined you. So it says, lovely to meet you, Emmanuel, blah, blah, blah. So I don't want this video to be very long. I'm going to fast forward to our chat to the most important parts of this conversation. So at this point, I just fast forwarded the whole chat and make sure you give the person every detail, every important detail about the hijack or the hack. Let the person know the date it happened. Just speak with the person because this is a human being that you are chatting with. So you can send the screenshots. Make sure you have the screenshots on your phone if you are using your phone for this, or on your laptop, on your computer. So you make sure you send it to the person. Anything the person requests, make sure you send it to the person. Okay. And once that is done, I think it might take a while. Either it's recovered immediately or they will tell you that it will take maybe 24 hours or so, and then you would gain access back to your Facebook page. Okay, so this was just a test chat with them. I actually used the same process for a friend and it worked. So this was just me reaching out to them to show you that you can actually chat with them. Okay, so if after this you still want to follow another process, you can go ahead and continue with the next step. For the second part of this video, you can click on the second link in the description. Okay, so what we want to do is try to send a report or a complaint. So this one is for filing a complaint of a hacked Facebook page, just in case the first one did not work for you. So what we are doing, or what I did, is I went to copy the link of my Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook web address, okay, or the URL. Then the next thing you will do is to put in a detailed description about what happened to your Facebook page. So as you can see here, I wrote exactly what happened. So make sure you state everything that happened to your account the exact way I did in this video. Okay, so you can type the exact sentence which I made. I'm saying, dear Facebook support, please, I need immediate assistance with receiving or with recovering my hacked and hijacked Facebook page admin rights for the above linked page. That's the page which I've put there. So I said, kindly assist with recovering the hacked Facebook page. Okay, so just write it the exact way it is. Then you can see screenshots. Okay, so that at that point you choose the files and then upload the files for the screenshot. Upload the files with the details of the chat you had with the scammer, either on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook, wherever I had that conversation with the scammer. Upload the chats for the support team that will receive this complaint. And then when you're done with that, you hit send. But take notes, if you can see the above, it says please provide detailed description of this issue. So it's saying, one, what you were doing when the problem occurred. Okay, so you just let them know that the person tried to, you thought you could make more money from Facebook, and then the person was a hacker, a scammer. Then you state what you expect to happen. So you tell them you need to recover your hacked Facebook page, and then please, hacked Facebook page is different from hacked Facebook account. Don't make that mistake of writing you want to recover your hacked Facebook account. Let them know you want to recover your hacked Facebook page and that you've lost admin rights. Make sure you state it that way. Okay, then what actually happened, so you state what happened and then you hit send. So once you hit send, it will go to Facebook support and then they should reach out to you to resolve the issue. Please also take note that this also works on your mobile device. For example, if you don't have a laptop, you can always use your phone. Make sure you use Chrome browser. Chrome browser is best for this, but make sure you are signed into your Facebook account. Okay, make sure you're signed into your Facebook account on your Chrome browser for you to be able to see all these pages. If not, you won't see any page, and then you say it's not working. So you can, when you click on that first link in the description, it will take you to that point. Then you should see support below. Once you scroll down, you see support, then you click on it, then you'll be able to follow these steps. It works with your mobile phone also. If this video was helpful for you, or if you're able to reach out to support, please, you can help me with you can support me with super thanks, or just click on the super thanks option and then help me with any stuff. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video to people around you. And please, it's really important to like and subscribe. It's because most people don't have online safety knowledge or awareness. That's why their account gets hacked. So please make sure you follow me, subscribe on this channel so that you watch all our videos when we upload. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye guys.